Let's make easy mac and cheesy with the healthy kick. Let's do it. This size glass pan and butter the heck out of it. Butter. Your butter does two things. It keeps it from sticking. It makes it taste great. Don't forget the sides. Do the sides. Butter the sides. Okay, good. Take your pasta of choice. This is elbow. Pour it in the pan. Pour it all in. Forget layers. Let's add mushrooms. They are cleaned, I promise. They look weird. And what's better than one thing of mushrooms? Two. Martin and I both love them. Okay, now right on top of the mushrooms, I'm putting the spinach. This is healthy mac and cheese. Yeah, healthy. I don't know how much cream cheese is left in there. That'll do. Just that. Okay, cream cheese is in. Now we're going to open and add these, and do not drain them. I like to dunk in that whole can. And I kind of just top those around. And you can put in as much or as little butter as you like. I'm going to put in half a stick. I didn't have a knife, so I broke it with my hands. Oh, and I accuse Martin of being a wild man. The rest of the stick can live in a butter dish. Do you still use a butter dish? So I have probably wasted a lot of my life chopping up cheese. You don't need to do this. Did I mention it was lazy and healthy and lazy? Get in there, cheese. I'm going to put some more spinach on the top just because we know spinach disappears. And I like spinach. If it sticks up and out and over, don't be afraid. It's okay. And if you're not a vegetable lover, this will win you over. Because guess what? The spinach basically does disappear. Just, you got to stick around and see what this looks like. I'm going to show it to you. Oh, we got to add liquid. Normally I would use vegetable broth. I do not have any at the time. I'm going to boil that kettle. I'm going to gather up some herbs. I'm going to crumble the herbs. Got to pull these stems out. I like to strip them with my fingers. Just like that. I like to use a scissor to cut my parsley. I can't show it to you without getting it all over the camera. My little stems and stuff, I throw them in my other herbs to compost. Can't forget rosemary. This is going to be so yummy. The fresh herbs. Oh, generous portion of chopped onion. I like it better than real in this thing. I had to lose that top. Cool thing is when you add herbs, you don't need any salt.